Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cloud with Ankita. So today video we will go through the concept of how we can create a Linux Azure Virtual Machine. Like in the last video we have discussed about how we can create a Windows VM, and now this video we will discuss about how we can create a Linux VM. So please subscribe my channel for the next course of Azure services, and in the further part we will be go through application services and also we can go through storage account. We will also cover compute storage and networking all, and also we can cover Azure monitoring, log analytics, and the later part will cover Azure DevOps. That is for Azure part, and in future we will be covering AWS and GCP and Oracle Cloud as well as. So uh, let's start our video. So here now I'm with Azure portal. Uh, Let me go. Okay, this is the virtual machine. Let me create. You can create a Azure virtual machine. This is I'm explaining you about how we can create a virtual machine in Azure portal. So in the future video, I will show you how we can create a VM or any Azure resources using ARM template, and we can also create an Azure VS Code. So let me create one a resource group, Azure Linux RG for resource. Okay, so Cloud with Ankita Linux VM. Like we can choose the region and availability zone, but we can choose the availability zone from here. But now I can give no infrastructure redundancy is required. And from here we can choose type of VM. Like suppose I need Ubuntu, Red Hat, or Oracle Linux, whatever. Like suppose I need a Windows Server also. From here I can create. And suppose I need that other VM, then we can other VM images. Then we can collect from marketplace. So here I can go 64, and size here I can create. If you want to explore other sites as well as, we can go. Let me create. Okay, this is the same one. Okay, we can create this one as well as. Okay, we can select. Suppose we need other V series. We are having D series, and let me create this one. So I'm selecting for this. Okay, suppose you need enable hybrid. We can choose this one. Yeah, basically it's saying like this Hibernate does not currently support trusted launch and confidential virtual machine Linux images. So based on the Linux image, we can choose this hibernation, enable hibernation option based on our requirement. And so here, like the authentication type, like suppose we need SSH public key or password. So we can generate a new key pair. And suppose we have already one key pair, then we can use the existing public key, or if we have stored the key uh, pair, we can have this key pair stored, then we can collect from key stored in Azure. So this is the key pair name, so it will be download one secret. Okay, and that port need to be allowed. The SSH port basically we can use for Linux. So suppose we this VM disk encryption is for, suppose we have a strong storage encryption that for more secure, we can enable this one. And we can choose the OS disk size or disk type. So these are like premium SSD, standard SSD, standard HDD. So these are like the premium SSD. It is required for best for production and performance sensitive workload. And this one is this premium SSD is kind of high workload, okay. And standard SSD, this is for lightly used enterprise application like this standard SSD we can use for dev and test environment. And the standard HDD that is for infrequent access, it's non-critical. And that this one we can use for backup, okay. And this is for locally redundant storage, okay. Data is replicated within a single data center. This one is zone redundant storage, that is data is replicated to 3 zone. And so this is for ZRS, it is only supporting for premium SSD and standard SSD. Standard HDD it is not supporting, okay. So yeah, so now I can go for LRS, and I can go for this non-critical, because just for the testing I'm just creating. So yeah, here we can also attach the data disk, okay. So yeah, okay. So basically I haven't created any VNet, okay. Suppose we have already like, we want to choose the existing VM. From here we can create, and the same way we can choose the subnet of the specific virtual network. And suppose we want a public IP should be enabled, that we can also create, or else we can give no, okay. But for now we can have a public IP. Mm, and these are the group like network security group and public inbound port. As I told, like we need SSH port. Okay, and suppose we want something to be operated, then we can enable HTTP and HTTPS. And for Windows, normally we should have data RDP, but Linux we should work with SSH. Okay, this is like the thing is like, suppose we are decommissioning or something, we're doing with the PM, we are deleting the PM, then that public IP attached with the mix should be deleted or not. So this option we can skip, okay. And this yeah, and this one is like in the later part we will go through the what are the types of load balancer we can use in Azure. So on which case of the appropriate load balancer we can use. So let's review and create. Okay. Yeah, hello guys. So I think there was some error while creating. So actually we have checked at the one which is not supporting. Okay, then we change that storage tier. Okay, and then we also check that size. Okay, then we change the size and RAM and CPU. Then it work. So yeah, this is like we have created the Azure Linux VM. And here you can see, right, you if you want to connect the Azure Linux VM, you can connect from here. Or we can you can, if you are using the jump server or you have a architect like that, then on the jump server also, from there also you need to do the putty, okay. Like through SSH you can connect to that VM. And if you want to restart, you can do restart, stop, okay. This kind of reboot, okay. And stop, and suppose you want to delete, okay. So this is the power cell, okay. A CLI or power cell. So we haven't applied any public IP, okay. sorry, we have applied the public IP, but it's not IPv6, and we have the private IP address, and so this is like the overall how we can create. We have applied. Uh, Suppose you want to do the health monitoring, you can uh, check from here. Okay, so uh, you can go networking setting. Okay, this thing you can do. Okay, you can go through the networking setting if you want to test MSG and all that. You can configure, you can add, create a port rule. So I just applied the default VNet creation and all. Okay, and if you want to attach this VM to the load balancer and apply the application security group, and this is the disk. Okay, suppose you want to remove the disk or attach or detach the disk, you can do. Okay, you can do that read, write, read only. So these are the function. Okay, and suppose you want to attach an existing disk, you can create. You can do from here. Okay, you just need to keep that disk name, and yeah, this is the important feature. Like suppose you have any OMS or like now it has moved to AMA, at Azure monitoring agent, that is there, and that you can uh, you can see like if you have attached this thing to that AMA, that Azure monitoring agent, then here you can see. Okay, with that extension and application, and yeah, this is the one like you'll get the operating system. Okay, and details about the image preference operating system. Okay, yeah, the configuration you can see. Like suppose you just in tab vmxs or how it is. Okay, a host group, security group, this all are the thing. Okay, and if you want any recommendation, you can do. Yeah, and this is the thing. Like suppose you want to add any log or something from here, it is a read only delete log which you can apply it, and you can see the size and all. Okay, and yeah, suppose you have an uh, you want to own anything. Okay, that user assigned or something. Suppose you want to do. Okay, this is coming under identity part. Okay, and defender also. And the fourth one more thing, the important thing is like backup. Okay, backup, that this one. Okay, backup. Okay, so this the one, right? Suppose you want to create any, how you want to do the backup. Okay, so how, what happened, like some of the company, they are using different uh, tool for the backup. Okay, so in the future part I can explain you what are the tools that we can use rather than this Azure uh, backup nothing. Okay, so yeah, so but from Azure side we can create the recovery service build, and either we can in the later part I will show how we can do the backup and all. So from here you can choose the policy, your existing backup policy, and how it is like the full backup or consistency type. Okay, the disk and all, and this is the digest recovery and restore point. Yeah, and this was the more important. Like most of the company, we are using this like when we want a auto shutdown. Okay, so this one is also an important feature when we want to send notification before auto shutdown or not. This thing also we can enable, and then this one the update. Okay, so we can check the what is the latest update. Okay, so we can see, we can go to Azure update manager. So mm, in the version 2, like in the next class I can also, so how we can do the this configuration, how we can do Azure OS update, okay, how we can do the monitoring, how we can do auto shutdown, and this is the monitoring thing. Like we can, if you have application inside, okay, that thing also we can use alert, okay, we can create alert uh, based on our requirement. We can see the metrics like um, and if you have already added the log analytics and all that also we can move from here, and this is the logs we can see, and yeah, so I think yeah, these are the thing like, and suppose we want to, we can connect advantage plan also, okay, suppose we are facing any issue we can also create a ticket from here, okay. Yeah, and this thing ends, and so yeah, so our Azure Linux VM is created. Okay, so if you want to connect, you can connect from here also. Okay, or else if you want to connect from SSH, if you have installed PuTTY from there also you can connect. Okay, let me check if I do have PuTTY. Okay, okay, from here also you can you can log in, okay, by giving the IP address, and in that case you can also, we need to upload that key what we have downloaded. So yeah, okay, so please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cloud with Ankita. In the next video we'll go through the update management and monitoring things of in a Azure Virtual Machine, and what are the other configuration we can change. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye.